guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Talk. Wetin dey wrong with that bed? That bed not dey okay for one to sleep on? Na question. Wetin una think? Say e wrong with that bed? Or foam? Because it's not bed. I didn't see any bed there. Na foam. Abi with na bed they call am. You know, when you pull foam for ground, do you call it bed or you call it foam? I'm asking because I don't know. Wetin I know say be bed be say you get bed wetin I call am bed stand, you put your mattress on it. You'll be like, this is my own now. You understand? I don't know, I know if you get up. If I say make I get up, make I show on my own. I know if you get up, I know lie now. I'm feeling lazy this morning. I don't get up. So bed now, when you put bed this thing for ground, you put your mattress on it. But Iyore own, make a show now. It was a phone on the floor or on top of something. I don't know. I don't know if I don't know whether it was on top of something, but I didn't see it. I didn't see it. It's like bed on top of foam on ground. Yeah? Whether they call it bed, I don't know. So, wait not nobody can answer my question. Wait till not see wrong with that bed. Or wait till not see wrong with that bed. No, no fi answer Ramabi. No one hear my own. Eh? Okay, Jessica Plus said that bed is very bad. Sorry, I'm laughing, okay? Cash has said that kind bed supposed to be Iyore people bed, no Iyore. Okay, thank you everyone. Jessica and Cash has that responded to my question. Another question is, does she stay in that house? Or na house where you both might live? Where she not they stay, or because we hear that time say we both might leave house for her. You understand? Or we both might leave house for her. And as of that time, she can't say she they renovate it. Don't teach. She can't say she they renovate. Now that same house be this so because make I for know the way they talk. Now that same house be that I been another house entirely. I beg, who know the answer? Tell me. Now that same house where you both might live 90 did no date. Where you already talk once upon a time, say she dey renovate, she dey do this, she dey do that, she dey do that. Now that same house, you already carry the video up and down, put for the street of Facebook. So, hell, I been at another house entirely, maybe in a new house where she new rents. Because my mind they tell me say that same house. I don't know whether that's true. That house where she felt they live, where before she pack, go they stay with Ovigbo, her boyfriend. Now that same house where she they live that time before she go pack. We know where you both buy. After some time, you already come pack, go meet Ovigbo, her boyfriend. They stay with together with her. Now that same house that year, Iyore video so where bed with for see bed for streets so. I been another one. I beg make una help out for this question. Okay? The answer will determine where the person go talk for this matter. Now the same house, but I think say now that bed how you both buy put. Sorry, I'm laughing. I'm sorry. Okay. Now that you okay, now that same house. Chai. Get us a bill. Anyways, Iyore, we'll leave that bed aspect first because may we hold on that first. If you get answer, waiting I ask you if you see comment put. But when I know they notice something for Iyore body, joke apart. This one is me. I don't, apart from waiting Iyore, where Iyore carry mats go, we concern our big house. Outside of that, I not get anything against that Iyore. The vaccination wey me just get from my heart now, that place, that thing wey she do, and she not go redeem the situation till now. But it's okay, it's her life, not concern me. But me, I'm not going to speak. I not get anything against her. But to be sincere, una know they notice something about Iyore. I don't dream see Iyore, if I'm not mistaken, more than 3 times. Why be say sometimes I know they like to look at direction. May I not see wetin I go tell her. Especially when she go dey miss yan when it concern that Igbo saga wey Riteron begin they use Benin name till they find friendship for let's see your hand. When Iyore come also they miss yan, so she do igbiagia, na so this one, so they talk nonsense come on for her mouth. Since when I dream see Iyore, I can't see Iyore's situation. Several times where God show me a condition. I be human being. I feel pity for her. Since then, they avoid Iyore. I know they like to talk to her. Even when they fuck up, and they avoid that because I be person wey be say I get pity heart. Wetin God show me about Iyore. Iyore, I really feel pity. Nobody knows anybody today. But God just opened up Iyore to me. More than 3 occasions. Since that time, I know they like to look Iyore direction. Make I not go see what, tell and join the one way she did. And they avoid me talking to Iyore, especially when she did error. When it concern Benin matter. And they avoid her. But Iyore, lately, when they see Iyore condition at all, apart from waiting me, God show me about Iyore, will make me come really feel pity for her. Aside of that, the physical one where everybody they see on social media, when they see Iyore condition at all, to be honest, mommy love, I not fit they comment like that because I did work. Okay, mommy, please, if you just see fit, just comment small beg. Thank you, mommy. You understand? Una they notice Iyore condition at all because I they see am. Outside of waiting, revelation side, move put that one from one corner because that one different. But say physically, see me see you on live video. If Iyore just see face camera, now they see waiting me they see. Now they see Iyore condition. Now they observe at all. Iyore they okay for an eye. The way Iyore they talk, the way Iyore they look, her appearance. Iyore, una see Iyore say Iyore they okay. Iyore not they okay. Iyore not they okay. That's why it dey sadden my heart when this useless Riteron they drag her, they engineer her into fights, into bitterness, the way she take day. Riteron can't forget, say, she and Iyore not be the same. She is bitter, she is wounded, she is broken because of so many situations which she don't go through for life. Return don't go prison. Return don't face deportation. Return black boy don't use her and dump her. Return they don't destroy her. They don't break her to pieces. She has been broken to pieces. Return don't say occupied beauty take please black boy frustrate her. Go Germany, I been a benjo, go marry another person, frustrate her, even when she give up all she got, even when she don't dey Nigeria through deportation. You know, Return don't face many terrible things. Where be say they if he break person to pieces, if he make person become so bitter in life. If he make person become wounded lion in life, that we understand about Return. Return don't give birth to Ahmed. They give birth to Igbo. She give birth to Junkin. Junkin make her go through hell. Junkin never wanted nothing from her, not to talk of a child. Junkin never wanted to give her a sperm, but she trickily collected it from a Junkin because of desperation. She have gone through a lot. Junkin poisoned head of goat, according to her story, to make her miscarriage. She have gone through a lot. If Return is bitter over bittered, we understand what she have gone through, what she have been through. Say not easy. Nobody be Superman. She's a human being. That is enough. All that she have gone through is enough for her to be broken, for her to be destroyed, emotionally, mentally, name it. Return don't come Europe, do a shower, pay to madam. Do you know what it takes to do a shower, pay to madam? Do you know the trauma that way they into that? Way if he finish human being, if he destabilize human being, of course. Return on, we understand that bitterness, but come to Iyore own, which Iyore also get her own for body somehow, but not like Return states of mind or condition. He never reach like that. Iyore never reach like that. But Return one use a bitterness. She actually use a bitterness drag Iyore into her own mess for Iyore to come be like her. Restless, bitter, broken, destroyed, beyond repair. She actually dragged her into it. And since ever then, Iyore life never remained the same. If you go and do your research, Iyore life never remained the same. Iyore get her own struggles, her own, battles already. But since Return drag her, encourage her to say, oh, you have to fight like a dog. You have to fight on a daily basis. You have to be a bitter soul. You have to respond to every trivial thing. Anyone that chooses to, you have to come out there to fight. And you're a key in to become a fighter. Since then, she never remained the same. And Iyore not be person who get that kind of mind. Iyore not get thick skin. Iyore where Iyore specialize put now that sort of water to use trick or sort of water take collect money from her gullible followers. Now there she civilized go. Not be this bars goes. She not be say she not a bit or she's a bit or she dey do saga, but she not get the thick skin. Because of waiting she lack. Iyore and Return not be the same. Iyore never born. Iyore sit there with boyfriend, Igbo boyfriend. He get one all the way leak one time when Igbo man they vibrate on top of Iyore. I still have that audio. It was this woman in Benjo that said it to me that time. This presenter in Benjo, when Igbo man was rubbishing Iyore, was shouting at her, maltreating her. I still have it. If I enter that woman WhatsApp now, I'll say I come out, I'll play her, I'll say I bring her out to play her. Naket said that to me that time. You understand? Man when they don't still born for sometimes, you see they hot for, but not to talk of the kind condition where you're already. Igbo man they born for us, I get women outside where they born for her, but you already has there. He never born. That alone is a pain on somebody where he did on your heart. No, me I not use somebody. That alone a pain. By age, you already don't reach to born, of course. But she never born. That alone a struggle. That alone a pain. Seeing other presenter, oh, they talk about their children, they boast about their children, they are happy with their children, they are, posting their children, or their children enter their camera. That alone, when you say, oh, go say, oh, when my own time go, I wish I still get my own picking now. And I pray, may God's will be done in our life. May God's will be made manifest in our life. Let God's will be done. For Iyore life, that is all I can pray for her. But retain faith to understand, forget the parts, the condition of Iyore. Our own selfish interest, because they get common enemy. She wants Iyore to become a fighter. Maybe Iyore come a fight. She forgets, say Iyore get her own strongholds. Where be say after fight, when they dark, what next? Or when there is no camera, what next? When there is no camera, what next? She is all by herself. This abroad, I mean they talk and where lonely passes abroad in all day. Is a lonely, is a boring place. That's why me, I dey talk and I know they oath for you. I not feel oath for another man land. God forbid. Now, I don't feel any kind of loneliness because why? My children, they're there. My family, they're inside my house with me. There's no loneliness for now. But a time will come, they will leave the house, the home, they leave the house to go their own day. They will make their own family. You understand? This abroad, that's why you see most people when they say they don't old, when they this abroad, you'll sit there. Don't easily get depressed. You'll see depression on them. Because this abroad side, the loneliness, every aboki with your own care to everybody with your own. It not be like our country where we say you can easily relate with your neighbors. You can easily, just this my house. I don't date over like going to 10 years now. Next year, March, Abi? No, next year, February will make it 10 years. Make me 10 years in this my house. Some of my neighbors, I don't know them. Apart from the one way opposite me. Some of my neighbors, I don't know them. Not to talk of, I won't even know what they call them. Everybody with their own life. Nobody cares about give a fuck about anybody. And so maybe we see for say lift. Hola, hola, hi, hi. Everybody got their way. Now, hi, now they end. If not to engage in conversation, how are you? ¿Cómo estás? Bien, bien. Ya está. Finish. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? I'm fine, I'm good. And you? Fine. Finish. You go your way. Conversation not they pass like that. No further conversation. Now they end. So just imagine. This abroad is boring on his own. Retero drag her, make she turn to fighter. When Iyore fight finish, people where she they fight, what you think say they go take fighter? Now wait till their body, especially you never born. Now they go take mocha, and that pain, that one they pay, you go pay her. You go pay her a lot. You go pay her if she not getting skin. You go pay her. Maybe she get one challenges or the other. When make her she never born, or maybe there's no challenge, but the child never come yet. You go pay her reach a bone marrow. And the useless retailer go inside her telephone, go say, hey, this person don't call you not born. Oh yeah, go fight, go respond. Hey? After she make finish, she off her camera. After she off her camera, what be the next? She go pour her for her job, begin to think her life. Yes. Obviously, yes. When that come, she dey cry, she dey wet her pillow. That one not be dragging for her to come and become a fighter where you already do her this recently. not be help. Returner is just doing it without considering Iyore kind of person and a condition. That's why they say friend not today. Friend where really care about you. True friend. Where you know the outcome. After you go fight, waiting people go dish out on you, go pay you rich bone. A true friend will not drag you to fight. A true friend will tell you ignore. Don't mind them. Ignore them. Because why? Not because you know go fit fight, but because you know your condition at this time. You know your condition right now, say at the end of the day, now you go carry bigger pain enter house if you go fight. Now you go carry bigger pain because the person where you want fight, the people where you want fight, they not go carry the bigger pain. Now you go carry the bigger pain enter house. Now you will go they cry. Now you will go they think your life. Now you will go they regret your past to say, oh, I wish I couldn't know I for born when I made the bond. Now you will go they think. A true friend will not encourage you to go and fight. When you wear to say, now you the thing go affect pass. This social media, everybody know who got this skill. People know who not see get this skill. People know. I'm not God the presenter. People know the ones will be odunga. Where we say nothing they penetrate them. I am one of them. I got thin skin. Especially where we say na even lie, they do their saga. So even if you use truth, you not go get any effect on me. If you use lie, no effect. Not to talk of. People no get this skill. People no get this skill. People there will be say, where they do social media, where we know and say they flagger. They flagger. They're not strong when it comes to boss bass. They're not strong. They're not strong. Little thing pain them. Little thing we see it from afar. You can wait them. We know them. I don't want to mention it, but we know them. Iyore is one of them. We know some of them for this social media. We get the ones where we say, if you like, carry sword of fire, pierce them into them, you not go penetrate them. They're strong. Their skin na khaki na leather. Nothing they penetrate them. Because they know they get that personality, they're strong. But we see no some we say, if now they go, you decrease, you go affect them. Just you decrease. Normal you decrease, you go affect them. We know that. Because a return dog they so broken and bittered. She just want, oh, this Monica being a Monica na common enemy where we say she, even when she never comes social media where she they hate on her. Return never enter social media where she get hate, begin they carry paper, they give people make their sign on how to deport her to Nigeria. That is a strong hate. For you to do that, that's a strong hate. You never will become presenter. You know they plot evil right from inside house. That takes a strong hate to do that. But because they have a common enemy, she wants a gather hand. Because she's a coward. She cannot fight on her own. And she's not a true friend to Iyore. Social media friend, not friend. Social media friendship, na scam. Na me they talk her. Na scam. There is no friend with friendships where we say it dead to heart. Where we say you say this one are my friend from the heart. It's not their social media. Among the presenter, among any social media person here. Are you kidding me right now? It's not there. It's just formality. Friendship of social media and formality be. No, it's not real. It's not genuine. Now by lips. By lips. Or say there we're here, say there we're here. Now it be by lips. Not be by hearts. I pray, oh. I pray. Yeah? Just look at. If Ritero Krokro na good person, where be say really they fit for Iyore, somebody like me, I can't encourage you, somebody like Iyore to go and do saga. Instead, I would tell her if I am close to her, for example, I'll tell her rest. Because you know why? I go away and say, if she go fight, she get a tangible things where people take beat her enters, where people take finish her. It there body for her body. Okay, bad day there. Umabie Dede, many others. Only that too, which is common, where they use on her, which is very painful to her. If Reteron a better friend, now good friend, so Iyore, he will not encourage her to go and fight because she will weigh it to say, these people, they uno ala loss of their boomena be. How many fights will fight? Where be now one word or your tell her, the thing will be like sword, we carry fire, we pierce into her heart. Go injure her deeply. If return a person where be say she gets Iyore for heart for good. You not go ginger her. You not go give her all those encouragement to go and fight, to become a fighter, to become a bitter soul. Ever since Reteron encouraged her to be a fighter, like a tiger. Look at Iyore. It's written all over her. Iyore is depressed. Iyore is mentally not too sound. Iyore words for mouth, not they align. She's contradicting in her talk. Iyore words, no they. I don't know if I want to talk her. Iyore know they sound well. Like the way she used to sound well before those days. Again. Even her appearance, it tells that this woman, she is deeply in pain. She is depressed. Depression is written all over Iyore. If you're not saying the tone, Nana. Depression is written all over her. That woman, she's pain. She's pain. She's pain. When there's no camera, that's why you see her. She's rough. She's rampant on live video. When she talks, most of the time you'll see her. When she enter video, you'll see her say, "Oh, no, this one just new cry finish before you enter video." She just new cry finish, clean eye, enter video to console herself. Yes, it will just show. She's all by herself. She have a struggle. She have waiting. She dey battle with. She have a personal need where she lack for her life. Where go they hit her deep? Please thumbs up this video and share it. Let your comment flow. Don't just sit there and be listening. Please, I beg of you. Give me comments. What is your own take? As I'm saying my own mind. You can disagree with what I'm saying, but don't insult. You can say your own points of view. You can say, oh, mommy love, you're wrong. I don't think so. Mommy love this or mommy love that. However, I don't have any problem with that so long you don't insult me. So feel free to say your mind. The way I'm saying my own. Let's interact. Interaction. Yeah? I'm not talking to myself. So please. Okay? In as much say I don't like Iyore doings, but I still prefer her more than Ritekia, Garlic, Okpominiki daughter. God knows. Of course. Of course, mommy. Iyore not get her body again. Iyore not get her body again. Yes, Iyore is Iyore not be Iyore of before. It's all written all over her. The signs are all there. Iyore is like she's just like a shadow of herself right now. She's not a happy person. No. That's why you see some early morning, sometimes late at night, sometimes. Yeah, she just to keep herself busy, just to engage herself in, say she see people they talk to. Now she did. But because Reteron is so stupid and self-centered and bitter, so bitter, she cannot even consider that about Iyore. What a evil friend that want to use others to satisfy their selfishness, their selfish interest. Eh? You want, when you know the condition where this woman dey, you want worsening her condition. Look at, since this useless Reteron Ogbabe engineer and push this Iyore go and become a fighter, a daily fighter. Fighter on daily basis. Well, look at Iyore. come they seek apology, they seek peace from Monica. No be her eye. Her mind no rest. She no get peace. No be her mind. Come they forge, say she dream. This and this, this and that. You just say na her mind, na clear. If he return do a fighting, a bitterness finish, she get color riot children for his house, where she go talk to. She get color riot children for his house, where he refuse to grow, where she go talk to. She get kokobiri where he said he not circumcise Igbola, uncircumcised Igbola, where she go talk to, where they smell garlic for his house. But Iyore not get color riot children for his house, where she go take console herself. You see what is friendship? Friendship is when you look out for my safety. You don't encourage me into fire. You look at you well. You weigh things for me to say, my friend, no engage yourself for this thing. No. This battle, now you go carry better injury enter us. This battle, if you enter, you know go favor you. At last, now you go cry. That one I be friend. Tell me as it is. Tell me as it is day. No encourage me trickily. Go enter with it go hurt me. So friend will go tell you say, I bet no saga, no do. You just say they don't think say you get mad to talk. They know. But they go tell you say no, just rest now. They'll try to that problem way big, they'll try to communalize that. They'll try to make her small for your eye. That one I be friend. Not be friend will go encourage you go enter war. Whether the world claim your life, you not claim your life, they don't care. That will not be friend. A true friend go always be tell you about peace. He go preach peace to you. He go say, leave them. I beg, no mind them. Now they get their mouth. Rest, though. No answer. I beg. Rest. I beg. No mind them here. I beg. Leave them. No mind them. Now they get their mouth. Maybe they talk. If they like me, they use on chop shit. I beg no answer them here. No fight. You don't do. Sorry, I beg. Now that will be friend. Go fight. Hey, they know they quiet. They give you boss. You give them bass. You give them. That will not be friend. That will not be good friend. He not care whether you go survivor. The battle where they push you enter. He not care whether the way those people go take mama you go survivor or not. You go just push you inside. Now be the terror we go punish. You not get color riot children where go give her encouragement. So she go look. She go get joy. You not there for now. You not there for now. Before you begin the carry camera, the video bed where she video, you think say na clear. You think say on any bed with good sense of reasoning. Go job by herself, not because the thing look presentable. Good or bad. Not because the bed look presentable, to be honest. Everywhere, men Indian yes get picture. Where she packed the book for bed plus Bible. Is that not confusion? She just by herself, set herself out. Whether she they live there, she know they live there, I no care to know where she know. Only place where get good sense of reasoning, you know how social media be. Even waiting good, that they condemn her. Not to talk of waiting no good. Yeah. Now this social media, waiting beautiful, they'll touch you, they'll tell you say now you ugly. Now this social media, passports, European passport, they go condemn and say, I beg, passport not be success. Passport not be anything. This one, that one, this one. But make them get her. Now they ain't no go hear word. But who get her? Because if they never get her, they go condemn her. Why? Now this social media, they happen. Now this social media, they condemn what it good. Now this social media, person where picking me laba so bone like return picking. I saw sa, mama saw sa. We be like boga fish. Where be say better fever hits that kind picking, it no go survive. Who get lapa like return picking? You go the teach children where be say they well, they may roboto. They held the finish. They get skin wey cover their bone. They not be so bone. Now this social media, these things they happen. Wetin not good, don't use and condemn wetin good. They there. Now this social media, it they happen. Not to talk of you go you by yourself, crow. Me call the one that say, who you're a event, go a house, go carry bed, go a video a house. Come out. When I can't go look, I can see I say, na Iyore by herself. You carry camera. Now, you see, thickness, thickness, what thickness they cause? When you get what they bother you, they think, you get pain, you get struggles for your life. Where they give you a lot of concern. Loneliness can't join. Many things can't join. Personal problems and different nyama can't join. If you are not strong, see, depression, to enter depression is very easy. If you are not strong, if you not get that thick skin, if you not get that self-control over your mind, to enter depression is very easy. If you don't know how to guide your mind, to enter depression is very, very easy. That's why it's good make person they get person that is high. Just get this strong mindset, like, you know. Just get this strong mindset about yourself. Believe in yourself. Me, I get this personality, this confidence. Nothing will break me. I can't conclude say nothing will break me, because when I face my depression, I say depression, oh God forbid. When I face my separation, I reject it in Jesus' name. When I face my separation, my marriage separation, now waiting for break me be that if not be waiting, if not be how strong I am. Now there I discover say I over strong. I too strong. Nothing will break me. I'm not feel they affected by anything. I'm very well. If they say person is strong, I wish I'm not strong. I for not feel forge ahead with 4 lovely children, become great, become who I am today. I for not fit. Many women go through that and they never came out of it. They were down. They entered depression. For my life, I never know it to be depression, but I've read about it. It takes person who is strong to feel skate through some situation for life. If you are not strong, just small thing like if you wave you just enter. So, Iyore, if you not listen to Iyore lately, I was playing one of our audio just now. Not the enter line again. She's just gapping around. She's not, Iyore is not okay. This social media, Iyore don't take for you. Where? Iyore don't they go that kind 8-9 years or above self for this social media. For Iyore to by herself video that kind thing, you think say na a mindset that is from a sense that she do. No. Pray make depression no just envelop you. Pray make circumstances, conditions of life not take the better part of you. You're not going to even know what you they do again. Before you go sell yourself out, before you go misbehave, you're not going to know. E.g., see how she take go, they find peace from Monica. Using style and pattern to seek peace and whatever from Monica. If Iyore was sound in her mind, she won't do that. She won't do that. Knowing fully where who Monica is, she will not stoop so low. She did what she did because of bad head way push her, enter, where be retailer. She will just lock up on a normal sense. She will just lock up. The deal has been done. Or if she won't withdraw her because of future purpose, may not be say person go, you go threaten person life, say you want buy her, you want buy person pikin, may not be say so, that pikin can't sleep, you no wake up, they not consider your hand. You just come out to say, I beg, I know they do, I know I just by talk am, I not get power to buy person pikin no. I know my hand not there. Now out of annoyance, 5 minutes you are done, you enter house. You don't clear yourself. But not that way where you already take enter. Come to they say I ain't dream, come they seek apology or whatever from seek peace from Monica. We know who Monica be. Say Monica now down on her own. Say that one not still get joy. That one not care about anything. She can't fool herself for there, number 1. 2, she come by herself where she know how social media be. Say even waiting beautiful. If they use mass spoil us this morning, they don't spoil her. Everybody go they see her. Say this thing beautiful. Not be retailer carry my set of pot comers. Say go enter go they say now so this pot they cause cancer. This one they cause, and she not get that kind of pots. This is a gay of those days. Better pot where be say I know how much that set of pot cost me. She begin this guagua pot, carry pot, begin enter go. She never enter go, make she go why she get money go. Why she her teeth condemn for her mouth will be say now 10,000 euro. She can't do teeth on credit, they pay small with kokobiri. She never enter go, make she go why her lips. They pour blood come out. Her blood her lips get cancer. She not enter go for her own health too. She not enter go make she find out why her children lack growth. Her broad children normally they grow well. Why her children lack growth? Retailer no enter go make she look for that one. Now my pot. She carry enter. She carry enter her platform begin enter go. Where be say that pot. When me say they could retailer canoe, she know they not born her. Make she risk how much me take buy that set of pots. They not born her. She not feel risk her. She dey craze. Person wey better food never contain her mouth. Now one risk how much they buy that kind of pot. Are you for real? Retailer go fit count 850. Take buy set of pots. 850 now €100. Take buy set of pot, take cook food when she want to chop. This is social media where we say with their bitter leaf mouth, they can use it to condemn what is good. Seriously. Retailer where they live on bedroom, where we say bedroom get kitchen cabinets. Where they happen? Bedroom go get kitchen cabinets. Isha, I don't understand. Who does that? You have the sleep cabinet all over your head. Kitchen cabinet on top of your head for inside bed. God forbid bad market. Eh? So Iyore is not in a good sense of reasoning. Because she dey try to make friend with a bitter soul. Forgetting that this will bring her down. Iyore, just like retailer end up snatching Lolo fans. Now so you go take hyo all sort of water gullible followers from Iyore. Iyore don't already lose a lot of people. Since when retailer begin to engineer, push her into a fight, to becoming a everyday fighter, she have lose. Iyore will be say, people be the pack, go they look. Iyore na person will be say, go see they do video these days. 1 hour, you know go see better comments, you know go see better view, you know go see better nothing. Salt and water, gullible followers, Iyore return. They don't waka leave Iyore for junction. You get some when I know we be say they be my customer. We be say they relate with me. To say, I beg, this Iyore not be better person. They don't run leave her for junction. They run leave her for junction because the more Iyore, the more retailer they push her into fight, the more Iyore they belittle herself to her salt and water followers, the more that they see, say, now so, the more she they do the offend them, that she they belittle herself, that they see her finish, that they leave her, that they waka leave her. Somebody say, I don't know where Riteron foresee that kind cabinet by. Kitchen inside bedroom. See me, in this time and age. I all they sleep now, so I dey inside my bed now. Cabinet go do on top of my head. What do I see for life now? Which kind of locality be that? I don't understand. I can imagine how many times Riteron go they use head. They knock that cabinet over the night. Who does that? Cabinet for inside on top of bed. Now what? Somebody say, the pay. If they pay una say Iyore and be this way come here, so I better shift. So as I was saying, not be Iyore clear eye. Iyore mental health. Not this okay. That girl get a lot. Where should they face for her body? Now make her. Where God reveal Iyore to me more than 3 occasions. I just tell myself, say, you know what? This girl just off the avoid that for this social media. I don't want to put my hand join. I don't want ads. I don't want. I don't fit. You know, you'll be like, I don't know how I'll talk her. Like, no. I said, God, where you show me this, expose this situation of this Iyore to me. Why? What do I have to do with it? I could say, now make her for one thing I just resolved to. I said, God, now maybe make her just, may I avoid her. In the sense that, if she do nyama, make her not come use and saga her, come add to her pay. I said, God, my hand not day. My hand not day. That girl, my hand not day, oh. Iyore for me, to me, Iyore not dey social media. When she do it not correct. Fair way, we see go resolve to me. Mommy love, come say, na saga, call the saga. My hand not day, oh. My hand not day, oh. Since that revelation, repeatedly God bring it to me in my dream. I tell myself, say, again, now return on the push into battle, even though say na just normal one what we know for our side. Okay, for now, God never bless her with pikin. For now, she get on pending problem we concern our Benin kingdom, which she never rectify. If not only that 2 things is already enough, not to talk of there are other things this woman battle with. It's not only that 2 things, Return not supposed to weigh the situation to say, make it not push this girl into on a daily basics fights. I want to talk her. If now where they feel for person, if now where they see true, genuine friendship. True friend no go push you into fire. True friend no go encourage you where into hot, where you'll get hot. A true friend will never encourage you into it. No. A true friend, where you know how you take day, go even they tell you, say, I beg you don't do, I beg rest, I beg, osela, you don't do, no answer, I beg, just ignore, do like say you not see, do like say you not hear, I beg. Now wait till true friend will do be that. Even person we not even get wahala for life, we not even get what they struggle for life. Normal friend go even encourage you, even when all is rosy around you, even when all is beautiful around your life, even all is perfect around your life. A true friend will encourage you to stay at peace with yourself. He will not encourage you to enter fire. Because Okwemo say, war, not a day beautiful. War, when there is war, is always disastrous. Okwemo say, a true friend will always bring your mind down. Whenever you are tense up, whenever you are in anger, Whenever people offend you, a true friend will tell you, you know what? It's okay. It's okay. Or say, only say. Just the way I was doing to one of my ex-friend on this social media where he call himself fake prophetess. Whenever they are dragging her, I will tell her, he don't do. No answer. I don't want to see you answer. I don't want to see you answer anybody. Please, face your calling. You are a prophetess. Do your thing. You cannot mix prophetess and saga together. Please, don't answer. Instead, okay, let me go and defend you. Let me go and advocate for you. Since they are over dragging you, they are over pressing you, don't answer. That is a true friend. That is a true friend. She go even tell me about saying she go answer, mommy love go vex. So tell me she go use strong head to go answer. She'll come they apologize for me for instance. I'll say, why? Why? When they don't give her what she'll come they cry for live video. Now me will see say, off that live video, why are you crying? Why are you crying? Off it. Put off that video. Put it off. Because social media not be where for they manifest those kind of things. You can't show your weakness. They cry. No. You can't fool yourself. It's not good. True friend will encourage you to say, don't fight. Don't do this. Don't do that. Many times that my ex-friend, where it caused my enemy sister at that time, anytime we come do saga, me with them, they always the battle for herself. I'll say, why? Why? Why you go do am? Why? I go the verse. I know how many times I block her from my phone. So if you want to be doing this, it no work. You say you be prophetess and you want to do saga. It not make sense. If you want to do that, then I cut off from you. I know how many times I block her and she continue to use her member to beg me. Then I will still unblock her. That is what true friends are. Not be say you come when you know Iyore condition, you know how she take day. She's fragile because many things surround her, where they weigh her down, when she never gets. Money is not everything. Money cannot buy certain things in life. They come natural when God chooses to supply you those blessings. He supply it to you. Money can't afford it. Then Retainer, they use her bitterness. They drag. She wants Iyore to be bitter. See, at the end of the day, Iyore did all she did. Look at the outcome. She's not a shadow of herself. She's not misbehaving. She's not behaving like she's not insane. Mentally, she's not okay. She's not okay. Go and look at it. Look it out for yourself. Go and observe it for yourself. Friendship of, we have one common enemy in between. That is friendship. Friendship of, I saga for you, saga for me. That is friendship. That is not friendship. That will be true friendship. Do you understand? Knowing fully well that has where return for commot, our brothers, they be newsers. Murderer, ex-convicts. Imagine returning where don't go prison, where don't face deportation, where don't do a shower to pay to madam. How can she be this? How can she be okay? She's wounded. She's broken. Black boy finish her. They wreck her. They disorganize her. Junkie also do you. Junkie for Greece. Then, for Iyore mind now, she get friend in return. Make una they play. Just they play. Just they play. Make una they play. Make una they play. Friendship my foot. Friendship my foot. People don't know what they call what they call friendship. They don't know. They are deceiving themselves. Now me talking. Social media friendship na scam. It's out of benefits. Out of one's self-interest. Not be from the heart. is a lie from the pit of hell. Among social media personnel, is a no, is a lie, is fake, is out of one personal interest or the other. It's not true to the heart. Forget that thing. Retailer when they say this one illiterate, this one illiterate, this one illiterate. Iyore cannot spell her name. Iyore cannot spell Iyore. Iyore is a not, and mean no insult. With all due respect, Iyore is a stark illiterate to the core. But he wish Retailer is claiming friendship with. Oh, my battery don't finish. Oh, I not charge this phone overnight. Which Iyore is claiming friendship with by thunder, by fire, for our own selfish interest. Now, let's say the truth or is not in a Retailer. The truth is not in her at all. Because she herself, she's an illiterate. Because birds of the same feather flew together. Yeah. This word is always common in her mouth. I don't like any Tracy. I don't like any trade people. I don't like. Iyore is one. Stark one as that. Retailer. The hypocrisy in herself. Iyore is a stark one as that. Iyore cannot even write her name down. Iyore cannot even make a good sentence without no error. All those when they speak, when they go turn her to comedy. It's not comedy. Now she tell no rich, she tell speak and rich. You see that the truth is not in you, Retailer. You are not forcing yourself today, causing poor Iyore pain. Causing her more pain to what she already had before that she was managing. Now you have temper with her mental health. She's not misbehaving. For her to by herself carry that thing out, it not clear. Not be clear mind. Not be clear with a sense of reasoning, a good sense of reasoning. She did one. Now out of mental health, not the wave. When Iyore fight the fight where Retailer push and put finish, in the night she carry her put for drug, they think her life. When Iyore fights the battle where Retailer push and put finish, in the night she they go they watch video where people take curse her, take mock her, she they cry, she they wet her pillow with tears. Retailer, if you are a true friend to Iyore, you will not be pushing her into all those battles. Even though they call her out, you will not be pushing her. You even be praying for her not to see it so that she will not be hurt. You even when she see it, you even be preventing her not to respond, for her not to be more, for her not to carry more hurt from it. But because you are who you are, a sadist, a bitter soul, somebody that is wounded already, somebody that is doing friendship out of, because you guys have a common enemy, because of your own personal interest, you want get more hand to they join you, they fight a common enemy. That is why you are pushing her into it. Nothing else. It's not because you care about her. You just want somebody that will support you, to bring a particular person down, which you are be willing or hunting to bring that right from where you were inside. You have not even shown your ugly face with your barbed wire teeth on media as a presenter. You were plotting evil against Monica. That is a common enemy that concern. Iyore cannot fight without carrying a bigger injury inside. But you push her and encourage her to become a fighter, a bitter soul like you. Look at the damage he has done to her. Iyore is not by herself, selling herself out. The way Iyore, people take rate Iyore, there was when I traveled to Germany. Was it not in March this year? Or was it April? There was somebody that was talking about Iyore. You say, yeah, you get money where. Oh, mommy love. There was something we're actually discussing something. We they discuss something. So then the person called the talk say, mommy love, the you know, not be all those fake life people, oh, you know me where be just know you where, you know some of una where be say una not they make noise, but you not get the one that take day. You get the Iyore, the person where you see we can't talk about Lagos issue. The person can see Iyore gets estate for Lagos, Iyore get this, Iyore they very rich, this and that, you know. I can't say, oh really? You know. So we're going to discuss the issue. So the eye when people think they look Iyore out there. Now rich woman eye. They think they look Iyore. Being the way she take position herself. Okay? Or you both buy leave property for her. She you know, so many, I don't know, so many things. I sort of water, blah blah blah. She is making money. She make a lot of money out of it. Blah blah blah. They donated how much 1,000 euros for her. Blah 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 blah. People thought Iyore is so rich. Iyore is so rich, fucking rich. Seeing that kind of bed, Iyore show somehow, because of the eye, people used to rate Iyore from afar. It's kind of disappointing seeing that kind of bed because of how she has put herself. Okay? That kind of bed is disappointing. To say, oh, now yeah, now that kind of bed Iyore dey sleep. Iyore carry camera by herself, begin dey round where she dey sleep. Some person say, oh, nine maker, if she dey do video, she go use picture, picture around all the camera. Now lay a spot of face, person can they see, you know. Ah, God. Iyore, not be a clear eye. She did do that, carry that bed out. Wait, be say she know. She not be new, Johnny just come. She know for this social media say even waiting good, that they condemn her, not to talk of waiting on your good. Iyore not be a clear eye. See waiting return on craw ayemi udan. Cause for Iyore body. All this why Iyore, when Iyore never enter deep depression, Iyore know how to coordinate. When you know what you they carry, they go a guy be. You know how to cool down. Yeah. They say now oh bon okay. No as you go take they carry okay they go. There's a proverb like that. Who give birth to how do they call her cripple? Now you know I go take the manage cripple picking they go. Where be say people no go see the ugly side of the cripple. Who get that kind of bed? Everybody live as your strength carry you. Live as your strength carry you. But because of the kind of person Iyore represents on social media, to say, oh, people use the eye of he rich till they look at. Iyore not supposed to say herself as if all is well with her mental health. Carry camera rounding the place. Because that house, I bet me I stretch my leg go jare. Me if I like that, I like to fold leg. It master me. Eh? So Iyore not supposed normally to say herself out just like that. But because one naked wire don't touch another naked wire for brain, mental health. That's why don't joke with it. Anything that will disturb your mental health, avoid it. That's why anything that will disturb my peace, I don't need that. Imani day. No. Nama, I go drive you come off my body. Now friend, I go drive you come off my body. You be brother, I go if you want to disturb my mental health, you be brother, I go drive you come off my body. You be sister, I go drive you. Do away with you for my life. Anything you represent, if you want to disturb my mental health, I say, you mean well to disturb my mental health, to hell with you. Not be social media, whatever or no. Me, my skin too thick. My skin. Na ipape lama, it too thick. Then none of them bath. Words of mouth. Talk. May talk. Even plus, like when they tell you saga. Nah. Me, I'm too big for such nonsense. All those are not the near person mental health at all. They're never the near person, they're never the disturb person mind, not to talk of come they disturb person mental health. But you see all those personal lifestyle. I mean, how do I even say it? Private life, where be say, not be social media life. Friend, brother, sister, whoever you represent, you want to disturb my mental health. You never bath. I'll do away with you. Who you help? When my mom born me as twins. But I come out first before my twin sister come out. So we'll not come out at the same time. Not even my twin sister will feel disturb my mental health. I'll put you where you belong. Say, I beg, live now your life. You come now my life. I come. Everybody now their life they come. There's nobody that want to disturb my mental health. I cannot do without. There's nobody. I can't do without in my life. When you want to, because I have to guide my mental health with everything in me. Not even marriage can disturb my mental health. Oga, shift. Shift. Carry your wala, go front. Who you help? Bola. To hell with Bola. Am I where? See, wait, see one can disturb my mental health. When I go allow, it's not there. It's not there for this life. Because once your mental health is being tempered with, you are finished. You are finished. You will not remain the same anymore. You will not take strong battles for you to be battling to become normal again. No. Emi ma sunu off way. Emi ma like be off way. Emi ma emi can't be off way. You know. Prevention, they say, is better than cure. That is why people who know me real life, they know. If you are becoming a problem on my life, I'll do without you. To hell. And I will easily just forget you. Like, under 3 days, I don't even remember the person's name again. I don't even reason your matter. I know how to throw away disturbance from my life. Where be say I don't even think am. I don't even the reason am again. I don't even remember that person exists. I want bad character when I get with that. If I throw away person from my life, I know they even reason them. I know they even remember if they exist. I get that bad character. And it's for my own good. Not be saying that even bad. That mean they call a bad character, but not for my own good. To protect my sanity. For Iyore to come they carry video round. Hey! Return on why tiwa with Iyore on. Return on I will get bano. I will get bano. I will get bano. For the fact that you are a sadist does not mean that make you rub other people in. Make you rub another person in when you know the situation of Iyore. You think Iyore is happy? He never born. You think Iyore is 100% okay? Igbo man where they with for inside house. Girl children with other women. Iyore is just hanging on there. No marriage yet. The Igbo man never marry her properly. The Igbo man not even dead faithful to her. The Igbo man, they make her life. Make it life, I mean to say. Outside of Iyore. But Iyore is just hanging on there. Where to say, where we should go from there. I even the years they say the Igbo man don't even pursue her. I don't want to believe rumor. You know, me, I don't like to believe rumor 100%. No. But with the situation of things, the way I don't read body language and everything, the appearance of Iyore lately, I know all is not well. Iyore relationship with Igbo man, I don't think all is rosy. I don't think all is well. I don't think. Apart from waiting they disturb her for her mind and waiting she manifest lately where depress her. I also believe say Iyore relationship with Igbo man is not all well. It's not well. It's not well. Your own Percy tribe, see they show Percy Shenge. Some tribe. Let me use your own particular tribe, you deal with your own tribe. You see they show some person shege, not to talk of Ovigbo. Go Oviedo. Ovigbo. Oviedo robo Ovigbo. And none as I want to talk. No, it's not perfect anywhere, Sha. It's not perfect anywhere. If not be say Ritero can't tell us a life history. How junkie tell you spam, stab her. How junkie not they mind her, family not they mind her. Then they throw away her, she they sleep back of trash for grease. How junkie they use spam till they staging her. We for no know. We for no know because we not go enter inside a mind or inside our life go no now. Maybe that I should see they show to our friend, they shakara with the junkie, say, they shakara to another Nigerian women, say, see me, I deal with Oyibo. They use Agbada they cover Kokobiri garlic smell, so. I deal with Oyibo, whereas she's into fire. Such a person, I go just sit there inside fire for Kokobiri hand now. If they sample Kokobiri, they carry Agbada, they wear her. As you say, if monkey go America, they change to Americana. If monkey go America, not be monkey see they be. Now so she's go see the sample Moroccan for Greece that time. For other Nigerians. Say see now while she's going through fire. While she not the see spam for her. Whereas junkie she say if after she does suffer, they'll call junkie will come send me picky make it give her €5. After suffer one almost finish her life. Now hear the life story now. Who knows what she they go through? For Kokobiri hand, where she they use Agbada to the cover, make the world not see the true color. Now so she also use whatever to cover junkie for Greece. But when she tell the story, those one go open mouth say, that's what the situation be. You know some women now they'll be going through fire. They'll say, hey, my husband just bought me this. My husband, when that's not their money, they take back their thing by themselves. They want pepper others. Whereas some women will say, oh, my husband this, my husband that. Whereas since 6 months, they never see their husband cassava for her. They never taste them. In fact, the husband never they talk for their matter for inside house. Cat and rat for inside house. But they will come and be bragging to their mates outside, for their friend outside. My husband dish, oh, my husband is so lovely. Oh, my husband, when Yawa or con gas, they'll come here say, it wasn't rosy at all. They were into fire. So, you see? That might be the situation. Because if Ritero don't feel cover junkie, where she can be Kokobiri where she not feel cover. Use Agbada cover. Agbada where she not feel so for her papa. Where she they so for Kokobiri to cover up, to prove a point for social media. But her papa and mama, they be like shit. She not feel clean them up to prove a point. See the stress where she puts Iyore. Iyore now is now a shadow of herself. A shadow of herself. Today. When friends are pushing you, sit down, check and balance her. What is their interest in them pushing you into society things? Some friends, business where they do where they fail, they'll go encourage their friend enter. Say, oh, yeah, I can't do any good because they want me their friend also lose money. Not all friends are friends. Some are just formality, format. Ijele wamami enitia wose, ose gelero a. Agelemi ose verio a. Ose no se. Iyore just, return just law. Iyore into paid. Where she dey, Iyore want me return want me Iyore just dey into pain. Where you know say Iyore not get nothing to hold on to. Where they give person happiness for now. Igbo man never marry her. They are still doing boyfriend and girlfriend. Sometimes Iyore go say my husband. Sometimes go say na boyfriend. My a boyfriend event or my they never marry. Iyore never born. At least it gets some kind of situation where we say person go see day sometimes. When you go look your children, you go get happiness. You go get joy. You go get fulfillment. You say, oh, You'll see encouraged. You'll look at children, you'll feel encouraged. It goes a long way. Irritating not feel for Iyore to say, this woman, get aside, get us, take deal, make her not encourage her for fights on social media because people get one with or beat her, you go pay her. Make she prevent that hurt from her, for her. No. She's broken. She wants Iyore to also be broken to pieces. She wants Iyore to also be broken into pieces. Since then, now that they beat Iyore blue black, Ritero pretend say she dey busy. She face her direction. They go the Nyama square. She say she dey go. She no come carry chest. Make she carry face road. Make she take fight. Make she go talk say she know they see the way Monica the mama Iyore is there. Ritero go back Queen. Oh, he carry chest. He fights Queen for Iyore. Queen will not even get words of mouth to take fight like that. We not strong for mouth like that. The real cocoa they happen now. Ritero they form business. After she don't encourage Iyore, go enter inside war. Iyore Ritero no come out now make you come defend bed. Say no, that is not a yama bed, or that is a golden bed. Make you come use mat repair and the way she they use mat they spoil what good. Make you come use mat repair and say no. Monica, come here. Where do you talk concerning Iyore bed? Iyore bed now, $5 million. Iyore bed is made of gold. Yes, you can use mat to repair it. Make you use mat repair and say, why, how dare you? Iyore bed, what am I seeing? Am I not seeing diamond bed? Is my people, is this not diamond bed? Made of diamond and gold? This bed is $100 and something billion. Make you use mat, repair and make you come carry Monica on come out. Make you use mat. Make you carry Monica bed come out. Make you use mat. Puella. Say na one year own. Monica they sleep. No, she they form busy. You don't make me trick Iyore put for inside battle. Iyore they watch those video. He go they depress her the more. Ritero they form busy. Umadogbe nane nugbe owagbon. Umadogbe nane Ritero no gun berak bijoué. Because here when Iyore on where again na yes why ye bitterness yes why ye gbina eto setik gbina aba wo ha and then no gereva ume no ya lele gele gbomania. No balo sukbolo komani wa do ba me no ya gbe no balo sukbolo no balo o gele balo mani sukbolo kwa. Some people talk nothing next year. Talk the reality where they their body. You not get no effect. Some people have built themselves to that extent. No effect. You know they get no effect for their body. Lie. They have built themselves. Now confidence. Now reach there. They have built themselves to that point. If you like, may they lose guide, may their toto their side. Don't you say the toto? Okay. Now say it be. Yeah. No, but they say carry camera face and says, yeah, she inside, she be. Some people they have built themselves to that extent. No, yeah, what? They don't give a fuck. They're not said. They don't make up their mind to that extent to say nothing. Nothing they affect them. Nothing. Make it be reality. Or watch way. They go commonize that for your hand. They don't go pay no in, they don't go where you see say the idea affect now they don't tell you say Toto. Where till you carry come out? That one. I can see and life and the rest. They go display their own shame and disgrace to your own very face. You go come tire say no they affect, you don't get no effect. But not everybody are strong like that. Some people, little push, they get affected. Little beating, they get affected. They get injury. They'll get inner injury. Where we say they go, they carry, they go. You don't go feel heal in a hurry. Everybody are different. Everybody are different. Iyore, I say Iyore. Retero, since now, you dey form business, you dey form, you not see. Now right up or by anywhere. Call it right up where person don't know the direction where you dey carry and they go. Come carry chair, sit down, the way you take fight Queen that time. Come fight Monica for Iyore, because Monica no gree leave Iyore again now. He no gree leave her. The disgwangwa is disgwangwari. You no come defend her. After you don't encourage her to come make back for her side, you can't even call in, call the Lakers join. Help her the Lakers for Monica picking. You Monica the loe puts na. Uma don't defend over here no gbo wagbo. Ya wa oboma yezo gele boma yiko. Oboma yezo ele lo ma ye koti. Uma don't defend there na no worry ya ritero. Ni va bonfia kun le lo no gbo. Ugwa boy Iyore yezo boy fieme nia. Uma gwa defend there. Usi aye junction. Ou ye squiver ibabo. No gbo wagbo ritero. Ni va bon la jouegbe. It's so painful. How you go encourage Iyore for fight finish? The thing don't overset. They don't they beat Iyore, they bully her, they beat her blue black. You not come defend her after you don't encourage her for fights. Retero crocro. Don't defend them who bell. Because Iyore don't over depress. Iyore is expecting. Oh, don't defend him back. You go come defend me just now. You go come defend Iyore, they expect. Return the phone business. Iyore the phone return the phone business. No busy line here and no bell like bon of your miniki no rocker. Can't defend that. What are you waiting for? Can't defend Iyore, can't fight for her. Because what there you give her hope. The day where Iyore can't do Lakers on Monica Pikin. You call in to ginger the swag. You call in to ginger her. To give her that fire. You see if you're Johnson or buggy die. You remember again no you. Am I gonna have video a mattress na mu yoto? Am I gonna have video a bedsheet blanket no lay. Am I gonna have video mu for social media? Never yak being because of confusion and depression. Am I literally where you form at the go school? Ni ba bofia kun le lo what you be the expect? You be see say as you push Iyore put Iyore go fit fight. Then why you go dey form business? Can't defend them. Can't defend them. Oh, boma yezo ne boma nele lo ye koti ne boma nele lo wagbina. Can't defend her. Age u Iyore get depressed. I get depressed be like be. I haven't said that. Please guys, help me to thumbs up this video and share it. You guys are not giving thumbs up on this video. Why? Why, if I may ask? Why you guys not sharing this video? Why are you not thumbsing up? Please thumbs up. Don't just watch. It's not nice, okay? Thumbs up the video, guys. Let me play this audio. Let me play this audio. Please thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Let me check if you guys are giving thumbs up. Thumbs up, lovely, amazing people. Don't do like that. Okay? Thumbs up is free. You don't pay for it. It's so free. It's free. Okay, guys? Give it a thumbs up. When now they do like that. Where my other phone? When they do operation, it say na Dokita, she gets very serious operation in theater. You don't understand what they talk of. Oh, Iyore, stay your track, If you think Retero is doing you good, then there you miss her. Now there you lie. Now there, Iyore, and there you miss her. Now all personal interest they use you do. Friendship no wa never no wa social media ne gbema ho. Friendship ma baba no wa No ma say hoy. Or a friendship up no wow. A friendship my baba no wow. Negbe ma ho. True friendship a command you rama where nyama no wow with social media. Friendship uma hia go make better no wow with social media. Nonsense. Why someone lose them, man? You know they see the different Iyore. You know they see and say, okay, okay, to not bury go away. Uma beg, lose them, kakabo. May I play your audio? This network, respect yourself. May I play your audio? If you know what is good for you, don't say maybe you don't like person. Like who you are liking, stay on your track. Stay on your track. Not let another distract you for them to enrich or better their own platform. Stay on your track. This nyama where this return they drag you put, you will only use it to lose people, which you're already losing people. You see a lot of them call you for a sales according to you. I know many of them will be say they my customer. They talk for a sales. They don't leave you for junction. They're piavante. They call they see you finish. Say, the other one. I beg you. Nothing what we are lily. You know what we say. You are fooling yourself by the day. You don't know. However, you are returning. You guys are not the same. She is a fighter, a bitter soul. A bully. She's a nuisance on media. You are doing whatever you say you claim you are doing. Face it. Face it. And what tatama we na? Oh, where ye? Oh, where ye? Oh, was you? Will call me? You know. Lovely, amazing people, please thumbs up the video for me. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Please thumbs up the video, lovely, amazing people. Who they call me? Okay. Let me go for the audio first. This is my phone driver. If you know what is good for you, remain on your track, Iyore. You are losing it, but you don't know. You are losing it big time. You know what you go tell you this raw truth, oh. Now raw, undiluted truth, I they tell you so. You know what you go tell you. You are losing it. I'm not saying you not do your Baba friendship, oh. That will not be my business. I don't fucking care. I know say na Baba. Una friendship for social media na na Baba. Na nyama. Na formality, oh. Na fake. I know that very well. So, but remain on your track. This one where they encourage you to become a fighter is not your style. And it's not going to favor you in any way. That's just the truth. It's not going to favor you, Iyore. Remain on your track. As return thief law of fans. That's why you go take thief all your salt and water. Fans. Where do I wrote to? I can't do Hilton. Oh, yeah, do Hilton not bury the social media. Hey, when no boy, no face a direction when no I go anywhere. No, okay. If they fight for you, if they fight for you, they fight for you. Since where Monica they low you, they low you, where they disguangua you. He never reach where return up, take carry share, use chest, face camera, come they fight. Come they defend you, what the way she take fight a queen for you and queen period. He not reach. Now she's not for me. Whereas you they depressed, they go, they mama you, they wash her. You know, man, Korea, echo, how my begging me a depression like me. There. You then look. Nobody will don't they look each other for this social media. That you get saga with person, you say I block that lie. You must see am one way or the other. Bloggers full everywhere where they cut am. You must come and if some people said they go carry and cut am, control, come dump her for your WhatsApp. Who waki any? Who wagi? Am I away? Eh, first direction where na friend. That's what she do a follow Lolo. Where she be almost use that thief all Lolo fans. Before Lolo cry, come and say, hey, my lovers, all ya back home. When could I return back? Now pityness, I pity now. Be someone I go pity her. When she begin head that one. Social media gamada. Social media the way she dey you now. Mommy Iyore. Sometimes you go say Iyore. Sometimes you go say mommy Iyore. Sometimes you go say Iyore. But you tell no say na fake because the word. Sometimes she go forget, but they say Iyore. Sometimes also I buy you know you are the nephew one chance. Ooh, Haley happy. Now so she tell hey Lolo hey on a vie France yatefo on a reyafo when Lolo dey live video na 12 people call the wash am na 12 people call the wash am return go dey live all your fans go pack go the wash am she use trick sweet mat sugar coat mat take collect them before Lolo cry out now so she go do you and this fight so she dey push you to fight is not your style. It's not what you're doing on social media. She go use them. Make sure say you remember what you get. We believe in your nonsense. We say that you call and salt and water, blah blah blah. She go make them throw away you for Joshua. See you finish. Look down on you. She go use you. Make you fool yourself. Where be say they go see you. Now so this one you what say I borrow away. They go leave you for Joshua. At the end of the day, Iyore, better shine your eye. Shine your eye. Imagine skuma mi wete ezuo no ezuo. Shine your eye. Don't let this return use strategy to finish you for this cyber space. Not let her use strategy. Na calculation until they finish you so strategy. They use your friendship till they cajole your heart. Not let her use that turn you to not baby for social media. Not let her use that to make you lose people where you be gets. Okay? You don't hear me so? If you like, yeah. If you like, no, yeah. You understand? Your mental health is important. You don't already look depressed. You don't already look, because of your clear eye. You take carry yourself, put for media. Carry your bed, put for media. In your own standard stage. Most responsibility very measure in university. The Wazigoji. I can tell somebody that you know why I don't feel buy a limousine now because I dey sponsor children. Now they be my investments. I can make excuse for that, which I'm also doing well for myself. You understand? I'm doing well for my children and I'm also doing well for myself. I dey plan my old age and I don't want to suffer. You understand? I dey do well for myself. You understand? Everybody know what comes first and comes last for them in their life. Are you getting my point? Love it. God bless you. You understand? But in your case, me, I feel you give 1001 reason. Like return on no higher institution. Book. How much they cost for children? Me, I'm in that level. My son is graduating next year. 2 of my children is in higher institution. My third boy is in a secondary school already. Graduating from secondary school next year to enter, you know. So I can tell 1001 thing and say, you know what? I got responsibility to train children. My children, no, they never attend, right from nursery school, never attend public school one day. Because I be person will say, I be lover of private school. I go New Era and I finish in St. Peter's College. You understand? I know the importance of private school when my papa put me for private school. So my children, when I never even born out talk and say my children don't go attend public school. Like. Even uni, now private. I know how much they collect from my hand. Right from time. My children I go public school once. People did this my city, they know. People the way they watch, people did this my city, the way they watch me, they know what they talk about. You understand? Because I want to give my children the best of the best. I know I mean I want to give them all my all. Because that's what they hold me as a great mother. You understand? That's what they hold me. And as God help me, I'm doing it. I can tell you, oh, I don't feel buy limousine for now. I don't feel buy limousine for now. A limousine I don't feel buy for now. Children, they come buy am for me. That's why they train them well. Yes. I get responsibility, which I'm also doing well for myself. You understand? But Iyore, you no go see for now. I'm not mocking you, okay? But you no go see responsibility counts for us. Where make you they sleep that kind of bed, or come by yourself they sample that kind of bed where you know how social media be. You fuck up for that place. You fuck up. You not do away. You understand? Who get a cripple picking? Now you know I go take carry you e picking. Where the ugliness of the picking not go pronounce. You for no york by yourself carry camera. The sample we know say social media. You know this Edo cyberspace the big day. You know. You know. You know. You can't do my do body because why? Your mental health has been tempered with because of big where a bitter soul return put you into. You understand? Put you into. Somebody say she knew enter the house. No, not the house. That house don't tell. Don't tell where you read the video that house, eh? You don't say that house. Not the house where Oyibo that idioma by live. That house don't say. She not just enter the house. You read the mostly they sometimes once in a while before she go they stay with her Igbo boyfriend. Now that house she said they stay. Yes. She not just enter the house. She not just enter the house. You understand? Maybe a few belongings she pack and go Ovigbo side, Igbo man side. But I'm not sure say the bed where it go there the house she go carry and go Igbo man side. Eh? But in the right sense, na choice. Who choose to sleep for ground? If not be say social media bad mouth people. Say na so this social media be. And the way she take position herself, she's rich. They say she get estate, she get this, she get that, she get that, she get that. You understand me? Come to think of it. Anybody like, if you like, sleep for God, not a grant. Now you sabi. It's none of my business. You understand? If you like, they house where it be like where they train foul. Now your choice, maybe it's not your priority to live in a beautiful place or to live classy. It is your cup of tea. When as deria zowe, when as jeria zowe say, if not be this social media be say son, they can't use math hide themselves. They can't use math like return on her. She said she be this, she be that. When I was seeing mama and papa, they be like shit. Where they carry the comments. They can't use math hide themselves. When reality you can't come and reality you can't show say not be so way be. You understand? That be the thing. If not, if I never woman, I take taloma. She for no shwa, beloved. She for no shwa. Because she know how this cyberspace be. Especially this those cyberspace. She know how it be. Even waiting good, they go use math condemn and not to talk of waiting on your good. Oh God. She for know your show. What's the needs? What's the point? Now then mental health matter come in. Iyore no, Iyore depressed. No be as Iyore be before. Iyore na before Iyore na omomebo. Her face soft. You could tell that you know that Iyore they think too much. Iyore gets so many problems she's dealing with. I pray God help her. I pray God help her. May God give her whatever she desire. May God's will be done for her, for done in her life. You know, that is all I can say. That is all I can say. You only get childbearing alone. It reached to eat person up. Only that one alone. Let's be honest. You reach to born, picking never come. Don't be saying you know they make love. You know what it pain pass. You they make love. You they expect. Make the love making. Give you results. And it's not every month you start seeing blood. Every month it's so frustrating. I never ever been in that condition in my life. But I can imagine how it feel like. How they feel. I can imagine it, to be honest. Me, there was never a time in my life I just say, oh, I can't desire, say, oh, this month I want to get belly, I don't get belly. I never experienced that. In fact, when very first way I take even get belly for my life, I never even ready. My plan was, okay, after marriage, make I enjoy. You know? May we enjoy small, maybe 1 or 2 years before I know, that must not pass me. Even with careful, you know, say no one get belly now, careful. Belly na wala. Me gwalo there where he make where I beg, because when I want to ukere owa jakoi every time. Imele, that's why I don't like spam. Because I'm too fighter. I don't like spam. I'm not a lover of spam. No, you like spam. Me personally. If me they make love, no, if you feel prevent that spam make it not come inside of me, I prefer it. I don't just like her. So I can imagine what she's going through. My anger be say, me, we're not even that close to her. I'm feeling for her. And mental health. Because childbirth alone, your mates don't born. You want born. Not be worried by your mates. You want born. It's not forthcoming. Do you know the pain that can cause? Do you know the pain? Month after month go just they go on and on. No, you not get belly. Year go pass. It's not easy. It's not easy. Not be saying na money you not get where you would not take off the picky. Where you want to take off the picky. Not because you not be saying you never ready. You are ready, but it's not coming. Everyone way day like that, my sincere prayer from my heart this morning. I don't know whether we don't reach afternoon. You know, now make God give una heart desire. Una heart desire, make God grant her. Anybody way they like that, where they expect picking, make God grant una heart desire for real. Because it's not easy. Not easy. Except say that person are not clean. Me I not go wish any good thing for person with hand not clean. But if your hand is clean, your heart is good, may God, anyone where they believe God for the fruit of the womb, may God grant them according to their heart desire. In Jesus' name. You see? My anger be say, Ritero, now only I she know. She don't know Iyore. If she know Iyore on, she not go encourage her into gbas for person where they look for picky. Gbas for person where they find picky. Person where they find picky. Can they encourage her for say gbas? Into bitterness. Into wetty. It's not done. It's not done. It's not nice. It's not nice. More that way, Iyore, for your own good. So, friend, not destruction they carry on. They will be destructive in your life. When we listen to Iyore audio small before I go.
Afternoon, my good people in the house. I wish you all the best. I also wish you whatsoever you wish me in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Even no mama ni ma we ni Jesus. Even no mama ni ma wo we o. Even no mama ni ma bava. Even na gogoji erifo.
Iyore, see the way Iyore face can be. The sadness is written. She sounds, appearance is so, she looks so sad.
Good afternoon. Call J o side.
Why bitter son of Beragbiri? I introduce well that way. You not get the skin. You not get the heart.
Me I get 2 years. One day, I read church.
Not be waiting person
This
mates
is
they do. Not be
church and
not be
it may not
waiting
be
your
every
mates
time.
person mates they do you go
I will
do.
once in a while. I really
Waiting favor others might not even favor you.
church. I don't.
Everybody with their own style, their own way of life. Not be waiting my spirit go accept. Not be your spirit go accept. Everybody's spirit know what they fit carry. Eh? Iyore.
Pastor. Because Kenika Aji are Paris 5 hours with train. I beg you, Oregbe 5 hours. Come here. Usighting where brother me wa talk by. Usighting wa yao. One love my people. So I'm here again to apologize to those anything new we week now, new we last week, new now like now. I'm gonna forgive me.
Now they see her, should they apologize for the kind of track she diverted to? Because she knows say she don't dey lose people. All these basbos, where they tell on each Jijara enter. She knows that people are not happy with her. She lose people. Even some of my customers will be Iyore member. They call me, tell me say they not they follow Iyore again. Say not then you know water. Then the airway they look and not be that kind of person she be. They talk many things. Some even leave voice notes for Iyore WhatsApp before they block her. Yes. Some of the voice notes, some even send them to my phone. To say, Mama, She's losing people. She's losing people. She thinks say return on me well for her by encouraging her to do what she's doing. No. It's to collect her what she has. To collect her member and render her useless. Now return on day. Yeah, social media friendship. Yeah, na benefit friendship. Oh, I don't understand. Before encore, please guys, thumbs up this video. Let's listen.
When I forgive, when I forget.
Okay, adverts don't enter. Oh, wait. She's not apologizing, my people. Because she noticed that she's losing people every day. With a new way of life, she's losing people. The new way of life, return, craw. Oh, one of her cat daughter introduce her into, ginger her into, encourage her into. She's using it to lose people. Now she's apologizing.
Anything new because no the way video ma show face me but na we really wa ho and banner ni wa de ni do give it the message eruni ni ga ma wa dere emu nyauna ni do give ni do pere gbe begu wa ya my lovers why who love you this area is for you why where a followers in walking or a lovers in walking or a member walking, I am very, very sorry.
Okay, now.
With all my heart, David knew was Senator offended.
Unayara, is there what she do this period, whether you offend them, she they apologize. Because she know a lot of Iyore member left her voice notes and block her. And say, I don't understand. They left her for Joshua because of Ritero. Ritero is making Iyore to lose members. Some of them are my customers. They talk to me about, they call me and tell me about it. Yes. Iyore is losing people. And she was thinking that when she Ritero, they instigate her into a good thing. She don't know that for her own downfall. Now for our own downfall, now it be. Now for our own downfall. But she not get the sense to tell no. Not be anywhere so-called claim friend push you push your head, go, you go just go. No. Sit down, think. Is it going to work out for your favor? Or is it going to work out for your downfall? Think about it. Not be, you're not supposed to be anywhere below face. Person you're calling would be. Some people don't fail, they want me you fail. Some people don't spoil, they want me your own spoil. You can't think, you don't have sense to think. Anywhere below your face, anywhere person friend push you. Now you never see friend before. Not be this social media friendship, we're not they reliable. We're not they reliable. When we say they play with you today, they saga you tomorrow. They are not reliable. Now you want to trade your own what you they do for on social media. Make people see as her own spoil, she want me your own spoil. No common sense to take things, say no, this direction, no. I don't belong this I don't belong this side. I don't belong on this kind of activities. Or this will not be my style. No sense to think. Mama is called the Zua. I don't understand.
That is not forgive me.
Okay. Okay. Hey, Biegbe. No more you know. Many le return no get muriane.
Many of them they will say,
Return
you
of
are
bitter.
doing more you no. Ọ̀rọ̀ parọ́ náà orí ogun ìwà gbọ́n náà.
All day your day.
Ọ̀hún náà mi ewu bá orí ẹ̀.
Come any friend there.
Ọ̀hún náà mi ewu mẹ́ èmi náà yá kíá orí ogun. Ọ̀hún náà mi ewu mẹ́ one naira vacancy orí ogun. Ọ̀hún náà mi ewu mẹ́ ebo wa orí ogun. Okay? Bẹ̀ uwe ní náà yà make sure no one make Jesus Christ. Ọmọ náà make Jesus Christ in the heart ọ̀rẹ́. Ọmọ náà mi ní ya fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́.
Is it one already?
Spiritual, physical.
Hello? Hello, Lord.
If you have Jesus Christ, you will have everything. Okay? Even Jesus will know here.
Let me call you back, okay? Okay, my darling.
It's in mind, confident. Yeah, where I am so.
Okay, okay, call me now.
Even Jesus Christ,
okay?
They can never do it.
Love you.
And one thing in life,
take care. Yeah, darling.
I want to go a president to me. No offense me. Every time I preach my work. So no allow go. Where's the evangelist called you? Where's the kakabo? Why agree? One allow my member, my lovers, my followers.
Say she's apologizing. Because she know. Some people don't have all it takes to say no to what they don't want. So people don't have all it takes to stand their ground. So people don't have all it takes, to maintain their track. To know what they want. Even when they know that this thing, some people they do yeah friendship. Even when they know that this thing will not be of help to them, of favor, of any kind of favor to them, they'll know that, like Iyore now, see Iyore they apologize now because say the encouragement where return giver not to mislead her. She don't error. She don't match line. She don't fool herself. She don't disgrace herself. She don't mess up. She knows. She knows that people are not happy with her, especially those that follow her. You understand? But she knows where her problem came from this period that is making her to apologize. But she lacked that boldness, Some people lack that boldness to face their, to stand their ground to say, you know what, I beg. To define what they want. To say, I beg, you understand me? But maybe she feel used to until they withdraw that from that kind of lifestyle of return they put her. She could withdraw. She could use sense. But she cannot just put it to her that on the line a sort of water me saga person. She cannot do it. She'll be pretending, she'll be doing mumu friendship, follow return, pretender relationship, follow return. We like some of us me, what I don't want. What I don't want, I disconnect. What I want, I connect. I'm a woman of myself. I'm a driver of the seat of my life now. Not God a driver, but they in charge of my life. I don't know how I will put that right, You understand what I'm trying to say? When I don't say no good for me, I pull out of it without no apology. It's my life. But some people, how many people have that kind of boldness? No. Don't know say this kind of friend not good for their body. Though they passion they go. Don't know say this kind of brother, You know me well for the now destroy. You want destroy them. So the manager they go. Don't say this kind of sister. Now where to put them down to destroy them to finish the neck. The passion. No, I don't pass. I don't pass any negativity around me. If I discover you are not heading to my own direction, you are opposite of me. You are not what I want. You are not. You are. I don't need you. You're kind of person. I cut off. Without no apology. I don't owe you apology to cut off. It's not, it's confidence, you know, it's my own, you know, betterment that they look out for. I don't need to apologize to you by looking out for my own safety, my own happiness. No. I don't owe you nothing. I don't even owe you explanation. Now, I don't owe you. It's my life. I choose who to go close to, who not to go close to. But you see somebody like this, Iyore, no. You know where you don't realize where people come from because she's not daft. She still gets sense, common sense in her somehow. But she not go that lack of boldness that she lack it. She not feel just say I beg made that one jijara for say ask for phone say she not get that boldness to say I not date that line. I not be saga person. Mere tracking now. She not feel get that bonus. Make I place more. Make I
go. Na you rock bar. If you are on your way, a bedina Iyore. Iyore bedina. If I nigga win, I'm gonna see the bed. Even if you let her you win.
Now yeah, she for sure her bed. Don't want she sleep. Make I show now. Now yeah, she for sure.
Not today. A speaker na momo ere. Now see the place. Not today.
Now yeah, she for show her bed by herself.
No television for this house. Nothing. Yare. See, nothing day.
Now yeah, she for sure. Now yeah, Iyore by herself show her bed.
Okay. Not today.
Okay, if she wants show, I go show her.
I think if I don't win, I wanna wait.
You want when she they sleep, where they carry she by herself.
Beginning have a boka win I wanna. Okay. Okay, wa be Iwa be ta we be live a fake life. Okay, bet na me ni jore vie. Ibe ta we wa bet ni vie o. Ibe ta. That we life now. We na face it. Iri ira say. Ibe bet na mami we set it the die more beds. Yeah. Okay, bet na vie. Ibe ta ma we bet na pa ge o. A bed in a vie.
You want to show a bed? See the bed.
It will wag on a bed in a vie.
See the bed.
Even more lay. Because the whole world, everybody know where Iyore I teach the bed 10,000.
If now another person, maybe Iyore belong to Monekia side. Iyore can't show this kind of bed. Iyore go use smart finish the thing, mama mia. He go use smart finisher. The man pass question they go. She for not even see I take go again because of this bed matter. I wish Iyore not belong to her side. Na Monica side Iyore dey. You can't show this kind of bed for social media. Wala for plenty. Return for this read book on top of that bed. He go analyze that bed. Oh God. In fact, before you go by himself, you no go know. Even Monica cannot even use man spoil the bed like that. Monica cannot even use man spoiler like that. I wish na Iyore. Return I need to say. I wish na return. Say Iyore come put to be say na another grouping belong. Not na group that they do for this social media. And minus me, God forbid. I'm on my own. I wish. Return for analyze this bed, the bed there, what's it call? She go come analyze how many what's it call those things? No, what's it called there for English? How many this thing? Bed nearly they creep inside that bed. How dirty, Many Johns. They said, hey, oh God, have mercy. Iyore, I say Iyore, retailer. Oh God. Monica not even feel, not even to bad mat the bed. I wish na retailer. Say Iyore happen to be and not belong to another set of group. Can't show this kind of bed on social media. Retailer for not sleep. This bed, if for do reach 100 video for this bed. Take this go on the bed. Say na bed where crazy people they sleep. For use all kinds of bad mat on that bed. I beg you. You know when the thing not dead their side. The person dead their side, the thing go deal perfect. If the person dead another person's side, the thing go become bad, even though the thing be good. Now not seeing where Precious make dey Monica side. The way return to the fire around, they curse papa, curse mama on a daily basis. Saga nonsense come out for her. But the moment that one come out for there, curse switch come a weak side, all was well. Just imagine the fakeness and the nonsense game where they play for this social media. They can't stand to say it the way it is, say the truth. Because of PDP, DPD, group. Group where we say they are all evil suspect to themselves. They don't even like themselves. They are faking it to themselves. That get what one word where I want pronounce. The thing on my tongue. If you go analyze how many dandruff they said that bed, how many bed buck I be the color. Hey. If you say Iyore, the queen where they claim. See that for then share for social media. Use umbrella, silo, I go for body. Now this guy belly they sleep. I wish na return if for use maths. I wish maybe Iyore not there aside. Messaga happen tomorrow. Make it boss for them tomorrow. Say Iyore, this friendship, this Baba friendship, they not fit carry her on. Now see say this bed matter go arose back. Even though if next year, anytime when the friendship spoil, una go see her. Return go use her sagara. That's what it is on this media. That's the way it be. That's the way it be. Nonsense.
It's true. The whole world know where I can buy bed.
Please thumbs up the video, guys. Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Time don't go.
Oh, imana me iladia. Even love us. It's on YouTube. Me baba na iwe walao. Wage bed ni vie o. Imo ele. Wage bed ni vie o. Wado de bed me.
I think one time they even donate for me.
Wage bed ni vie.
You remember they even donate money for her that time. I think if I'm not mistaken, 2 years ago. If I'm not mistaken. They will donate money for her now to buy golden bed or something, queen bed. I think it was queen bed. They donated money for her, and our members were donated then. I been all those ones that are fake. They fake out for social media. 100,000 euro, 90,000 euro, not fake. Cause nothing what they know they say for this social media. They fake everything fakeable. It is where.
They sleep. This one I beg where as I come here so. I can't just buy one small because you feel a coa. And he parlo mezinana.
Because even Erigbo house, Iyore boyfriend house, Iyore never one day. She always they do video for bed. She never one day show that bed. Iyore always they carry camera go. You carry her face inside eye like this, so you don't go see any other space. I say laugh oh, I love the shots. Iyore never one day. I never see her. Say we all they do video. Even for Iboma ass. Now wow. It is where I get piri. I go social media might give and live very life. Be yourself. Not send anybody. As your power reach. As your power reach. Because I get piri. You know, now the way that they put themselves, that make your own kind of day somehow. Say, how you they sleep this kind of bed? And the way she put herself, all those big money what they hear. I guess remember donate 100,000 euro. This and this and that. Nah, they confuse some people, sha. It is well. Eh? It is well. Oh. They say there shall be no real life on social media. Wa fake wage. Ijari no wa. Me eti sileni o, I don't get time for nonsense, eh? I not get why they prove to. I not get why they impress on social media. Just do my life and do my thing, live my life.
I must tell you, this is Palo. See bed we made the sleep.
Yeah, see the bed.
My I manage the sleep.
See the bed.
Una see am. No fake life. Now here I manage the sleep. But the place where they come before I come here, bed.
That one a foam for grant. That one be bed. Na foam 9 grand. Na foam 9 grand. Me I can't get up. Oh, my darling don't they come. Me I go freshen up. Me I can't go make food. I'll go out later. So guys, not be Iyore clear eye. Iyore take carry herself by herself. Put for street or Facebook. A depression man. Emma. I just say, man, like a stress. No. I like a stress, oh. I like it, baby, yeah. Nonsense. No. You bitter soul, carry your cross. And you carry your cross. Not come use your bitter soul, rub my this thing. Don't use your ring and spoil my blues. I don't get time for nonsense. Iyore, if you know what is good for you, I don't see me not do